Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the 2 screws on the back of the base cover. Remove the 7 screws securing the cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges to lift it off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the memory module and unlatch it. Grasp the module by the edges to remove it from the system. To reinstall the memory module, relatch it to the system. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.